Welcome back to me building up my first camper van. Today we're going to be putting in the sink, the stove, the countertop, and the ceiling, along with the lights and a bunch of other stuff. So stick around, this is going to be a great video. Oh yeah. I don't know, wait a second. Oh. You knew it? I told it to me. We're getting 2 of these. We're insulating the van today. We're at Lowe's now.
Home Depot.
We're at Home Depot now.
Oh, this is $70.
Okay, so new plan. Find, hi, how's it going? Find the absolute cheapest material for the roof that we can find. Like, it doesn't matter what it is. Like, it's like, and then we'll all come back and consolidate and talk about it. Okay.
All right.
So, yeah.
Are we bringing a sample?
Yes, bring a sample.
Okay? I'm carrying a camera.
Go. No, you're gonna film it. So yeah, so find it. Boy, do you remember him?
I thought he was dead. John! John,
He's
what are
been
you
living
doing
in
here?
for the last year, and I haven't seen him.
Wait, have you seen the van?
No,
I've seen you guys work.
You want to go ride in it?
Yeah. You want to ride home? I got it all. Let's roll. Look at this stuff.
Oh, you got a cart. Yes.
Nice. Hit subscribe. There we go. Sick.
Hey, John. Hey, it was good to see you, though. Have a good one.
Whoa.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get through. Catch you soon, son.
Great seeing you guys.
We just got back from the store, which you guys already saw, and right now we're putting up the insulation, which Mike's doing right now. We got insulation, and we got wood for the ceiling. So we're gonna get the ceiling up, and hopefully the lights too, as well as the sink and the stove, which I'm working on. And there's a bunch of us right now, which is gonna be awesome. So let's get to work. Moment of truth. Let's see if this works. I really hope this works. I think it's good. It's good. Alright, this is the... Oh, we've got leakage.
I hear it.
Oh. Yeah. The pump's leaking. So, this sink pump was gifted to me from a friend. And supposedly it was supposed to work, but it had leaks in it. So I'm really glad I figured that out before it was too late. So this leaked. But luckily I bought the exact same one that I was going to take back. That is the exact same. So we put that in and it works. And we'll test it here in a second because we had a little issue with another thing. But we're figuring it out. So live and learn. And we're moving on with the van build. So we're all done building for this video. We got the ceiling up, and the lights, and the counter, and the sink, and the stove. We got a lot done. It does not look perfect, but it'll be good for now. And in the next video, we're going to put cabinets and make it look a lot more pretty. So stick around. Thanks for watching this. Have a good day.